Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video I will show you if you are trying to extract any zip file and if you are getting this error like this, to help protect your computer, Windows has blocked access to this file. I will show you how you can fix this. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to right click, go to properties, and if you are getting that warning message, just you need to select this option, unblock, apply, and say okay, and then you need to retry to extract that file. Okay, so you need to select your path, and from here you can choose the path. If you want to save it on the same location, just click to extract. It will take some time, and you can see here now it's extracting. Okay, you can see here one document folder created. All right, this file is this file have many more content, so it's taking some time, right? You can see here. So in this way you can fix your issues if you are getting that warning message. Okay, and you can see here the document folder created. Okay, so with the same name the folder will be get created. Okay, and here you can see it's going to complete. So in this way you can fix your issues. If you are getting any other error during zip file extraction, please feel free to leave your comment. Definitely I will try to help. Okay, thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.